Some iPhone 11 Pro Max users have complained that they are facing problems with their touchscreen, such as either the touchscreen was lagging or completely stuck or frozen at times. In this video, we will show you how you can fix the touchscreen issues on iPhone 11 Pro Max. There will be two parts of the video. In the first part, we will show you how you can fix the slow touchscreen. And in the second part, how to fix the touch if it's completely unresponsive. So make sure to watch the whole video. You can make the touchscreen faster from the settings. Open Settings. Tap Accessibility. Tap Touch. Tap Haptic Touch. Change the settings to fast. If there are too many apps running in the background, it puts pressure on the iPhone processor, which could cause the problem with the touchscreen. You can close all the running apps to fix this problem. If there is a new iOS update, this problem could be happening due to that. So make sure to update your iOS. If there is, download and install it. Also, if there are third-party apps not updated to the latest version, it could cause the problem. Check if there is an update or not. If there is, update all of them. If your iPhone's touchscreen is stuck, you can do a forced restart to fix this problem. Quickly press and release the volume up key, then volume down key. Now press and hold the side key. Keep holding it until you see the Apple logo. If nothing else works to fix the problem, you can do a hard reset by putting it into the recovery mode. We have a detailed video about how you can do it. We will leave the link in the description below. You can check it out. So guys, this is the way you can fix touchscreen issues on iPhone 11 Pro Max. That's it for now. If you have any query on the topic, let us know in the comment box. Subscribe to our channel for tips and tricks for Apple devices. Thank you.